Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Ever wondered about the genius behind Arduino and its journey? Let's dive in. Before Arduino, the world of electronics was a bit, well, complicated. Then, in the early 2000s, a group of visionaries led by Massimo Banzi founded Arduino. Massimo and his team wanted to make electronics accessible to everyone. They founded Arduino in Ivrea, Italy, as an open-source hardware platform. The first Arduino, the Arduino Uno, was born. Simple, versatile, and perfect for both beginners and experts. It featured an easy-to-use programming environment, making coding a breeze. Fast forward to today, and Arduino has sparked a revolution in the world of DIY electronics. Let's talk about some incredible developments. From home automation to robotics, Arduino is at the heart of countless innovations. Think smart gardens, interactive art installations, and even advanced medical devices. Let's check out some milestones. In 2005, Arduino Uno was released. 2012 brought us the Arduino Duo with more power. And in recent years, we've seen the rise of IoT projects with Arduino connectivity. So, whether you're a seasoned maker or just starting, Arduino welcomes you to the world of endless possibilities. Join the community, innovate, and let's make the future together. Follow for more.